What is up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to teach you guys exactly what I do and how I get all my products ranked on the first page of Amazon. Amazon is an amazing business if you take it serious and want to build a long-term career and a business. It's literally how I make all my money online, is selling on Amazon. And today I'm going to show you guys how I personally get all my products ranked on that first page of Amazon. When selling on Amazon, you want to do a product launch, and when you get your products to Amazon's warehouse and doing everything for the first time, you're going to want to launch your product. And launching your product is very important because if you do it badly, you can make your product a lot harder to get on the first page. So here in front of me, I have Helium 10. Helium 10 is the software you're going to need to get ranked on the first page. It's going to give you all the data. If I don't have Helium 10, I'm not able to find out exactly how I'm going to get on the first page. It's the only software that I know as of right now that allows you to get that information of exactly how you need to get on the first page. So if you don't have Helium 10 and you want it, make sure you use the link down below. It's going to give you a discount code as well as a promo code. It's going to be in the pinned comments or in the description. I personally think without this software, I wouldn't have been able to grow as much as I've had. So as of last year, I've made over $1 million in sales, net profit $420,000. But with just selling on Amazon, the amazing thing about this is that once you have a long-term business, it just snowballs from there. I've been selling, and every year I've expanded my business, making a growth of about 50 to 100%. And it's crazy because I didn't have that much money to start with. But let's talk about how we're going to get ranked on the first page. So when it comes to this, let's say we have this product. Let's say this is our competitor when it comes to selling on Amazon. Let's say we want to sell eyelash extension glue. We love the product. It falls under all the categories that I like when it comes to selling on Amazon. It's small and light. It's not so competitive. I'm able to get this product on the first page, and it has a high profit margin for the product. How are we going to get ranked on the first page? We're going to go to we're going to click tools here, and we're going to go to 𝗏𝐶𝐵. 𝗏𝐶𝐵 in Helium 10 is like the reverse engineering when it comes to Amazon products. It gives you all the data from all the competitors. So we're going to go back here to the product. We're going to get the ASIN. The ASIN is the identity of the product. You're going to copy the ASIN here. It's after DB/, and if you can't find it here on the URL, you can always scroll down to the bottom, and the ASIN is here. Every product has its own unique ASIN, and the ASIN is like the identity of the product. Even if you go and copy this on Amazon and you type in the ASIN here, you would actually find the product, right? It'll probably be the first one. The ASIN is the identity of the product. Even Amazon knows, like, it's just what it is. So you're gonna go back here and you're gonna paste the ASIN, and you're gonna go get keywords. And this is what's gonna help you find out how to get ranked on that first spot. So we're gonna make a little few filters on this. We're gonna put 500 and let's actually put 100,000. And we're gonna put 1 to 15 and apply filters. So let's say this is our main competitor. We want to start making a ton of sales like them. You go back to their page here. They're killing it on Amazon. They got 200 to 300 sales daily selling eyelash extension glue. If you go here to the extension of Helium 10, you're able to see exactly how much you're selling monthly. And they're making $170,000 in revenue selling eyelash extension glue. That's over $1 million in sales off this one product. And they have a ton of other products that they sell. They literally have $1 million business selling glue. It's crazy the potential you can do when selling on Amazon. So we're gonna go back here to 𝗏𝐶𝐵. We're gonna filter this by search volume. So we're gonna click search volume, and these are the keywords that we can rank for. We're gonna let's just delete this one. So you want to filter the search volume from high to low, and if there's any keywords like the brand name, you can always click the little trash can to empty them out. And what we want to focus on here is the CPR. The CPR is the amount of units we need to sell for the next 8 days to get on the first page. So it says here, estimated number of units that need to be sold over 8 days resulting from a search for this keyword in order to get ranked on the top half of the page for this keyword. So this information is so important when it comes to selling on Amazon. It's how I get all my products ranked on the first page. Without this information, I will kind of be in the blind and not know. So I personally only sell products that have a CPR of 100 or less. So I wouldn't really try to aim for this keyword to get ranked on the first page. I would aim for this keyword instead because you only need 45 sales, and it's 45 sales every day for the next 8 days. This keyword is getting searched 16,000 times every day for this exact keyword, and I know for a fact I could get this product, my product, I could probably get it on the first page for this keyword because the CPR is less than 100. So what I would do for this and get it ranked on the first page, when you're first launching your product, what I would do is do really aggressive Amazon advertising for this exact keyword. I wouldn't even mind spending and losing money for the 8 days, because what we're really trying to aim for is getting it ranked on the first spot. I would also try to make a social media platform and really get a lot of followers and promote the product to my followers and give them a discount code in order to get ranked for this exact keyword. This is what you need, and this is the information you need to get ranked on the first page. You need people to be searching this exact keyword on Amazon. You need 45 sales for the next 8 days, and then you're on the first page of Amazon. If you do Amazon advertising and do manual keywords for this exact keyword, you can get ranked on the first page for that keyword. If you go really aggressive with the advertising and all that information I'm giving you, you can easily get your product ranked on the first page. Just make sure your product that you're trying to sell is not so competitive. The CPR, if it's over 100, I would stay away from it. If it's under 100, then yeah, you're good to go. You just have to go really aggressive with advertising on it. And yeah, you're gonna make a long-term business. Also, make sure your listing is as professional as possible when selling. So let's go back here. You can see that this picture it's a 3D mock-up. It's not an actual photo, but I mean, it looks very, very professional. You can see the pictures here are great. If you get your product at 4.5 stars, this product is at 4 stars. If you get it at 4.5, amazing. This person has 4 stars here, and they're still selling a ton of units. That gives you more potential. That gives you an advantage. If you're trying to sell this product, your product would be 5 stars or 4.5. You'll be killing it. You'll be taking a lot of market space from this top competitor. So you're gonna want to go down here, and if you want some artwork like this and you don't know how to make it, I'll also link a couple of people that I personally know that do amazing artwork for really cheap, like $20 for a bunch of this artwork. It's amazing. I outsource a lot of my work when it comes to Amazon, like the photo, the 3D mock-up. This photo I could get done for my product for around $10. I outsource a lot of the hard work. That way I can make sure the product is good, and I can make a lot of sales down the line. If you're interested in even getting really serious about selling on Amazon and want more information, I'm gonna have a free course down below. The free course gives you a bunch of information when it comes to selling on Amazon. There's nothing needed. There's no credit card needed, nothing like that. You can literally start in 2 minutes from now. If you just click the link down below, you sign up, it's gonna take you to the free course that gives you a bunch of information. I have at least 30 or plus free videos for you guys to help you guys get started with selling on Amazon and get you flowing, and exactly how you can do all the steps. And then I also have a more advanced course. In that course that you can even unlock down the line if you want to take it serious and take it to the next step. The advanced course is not free, it's a monthly payment. But if you're serious and you want to make it a full-time income, you can always check out that advanced course. The advanced course, I mean, it gives you all my updated information because Amazon's always updating, and it gives you all my mistakes, all my little tips and tricks, and all the little stuff that I like to do to always get ranked on the first page. So I recommend you to try out that free course if you want to take Amazon serious. You don't need anything. It's going to be in the link down below. If you have any questions regarding this video or anything like that, if you have any suggestions that you want me to do, any videos, leave them in the comments down below. I read all the comments. Like this video if you can, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.